So team, we are out for a run to get some fresh air. Isn't that beautiful? Very lucky to be living by the sea. Right, I didn't come alone. I got my son with me. And as I am crawling, he has just gone off and gone right ahead somewhere. I can't even see him properly. So I better run and find him really. Right, I'm out running and I've got a running partner. I've got some absolutely amazing views. Thank God. It's empty, so don't worry guys. We're not coming close to anybody. It's absolutely empty. Look, nobody here. He keeps running away and I have to try and catch up, keep up. But hopefully, am I really lacking behind?
No.
No!
Yes!
Yes! Okay, I'll try a bit harder. Yeah? Yeah? Oh look, we had two people walk past. Ooh. Right, you go on and I'll catch up. Right, I am back from my run and I am in the kitchen and ready to go. Right, so what am I making today? Right, I have got loads of spinach that I need to use, and I think if I don't use it now, it's going to go off, and that would be quite sad. So I am going to make something with spinach. Starting with 2 onions. You might think all the recipes are starting with onions, but trust me, promise you that all of them taste so different. Right, 2 onions, roughly chopped. Also going to roughly chop 3 of these tomatoes. I have got a hot pan and 2 to 3 tablespoons of sunflower oil. To this I'm going to add 1.5 teaspoon of cumin and let it sizzle. To this adding the chopped onions, and I'm going to cook it till they are deep golden, so around 10-15 minutes. I am also going to prep 2 to 3 of these lovely potatoes. Once again, I won't be peeling the skin, and I'm just going to chop them up. To the lovely golden onions, I am going to add a big chunk of ginger and 3 garlic cloves. I'm going to grate it and add it to the mix. Cook it for a minute at least. Then next is the tomatoes going. I am going to cover and cook this on medium heat for 10 minutes. Timer has gone off. Oh, yum. Smells so good. Right. So you can see that the tomatoes have completely softened, they're mushy. It's time to add the spices. To this, I am going to add a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of turmeric powder, chili powder as per your taste. So I'm just adding half because my kids love this dish and I don't want to make it too hot. And that is looking lovely. And I'm also going to add a teaspoon of garam masala. Mix it all up and just cook it on high heat for a minute. So now I will add 200 ml of water to this and just mix it up. Now all the chopped potatoes will go in. There you go. And we will mix it up well, then cover and cook this on medium heat for 10 minutes so that our potatoes are done. Right. I have got a 200-gram pack of spinach leaves and I'm just going to roughly chop it and then I'll give it a good wash. All spinach in here. Well, to think of it, I could have taken a bigger pan. Oh well, live and learn, live and learn. Right, I'm going to cover this up again for say 7 to 8 minutes. Oh, heavenly, heavenly, heavenly. Oh my goodness. That's going to be one delicious meal. To finish, I am just going to drizzle a tablespoon and a half of cream. If you're vegan, you can use coconut cream or coconut milk, and just keep this whole thing vegan. Okay guys, I am going to taste this because I think the quantity is a lot and I think salt might not be enough. Oh my god, so good, but I'm going to add some more salt. So another half a teaspoon of salt will give you the perfect flavor. That's what I need. Flavor. It smells so delicious. This is going to be one awesome curry. Awesome spinach and aloo. You can add more spinach if you like and less aloo. It's totally up to you. This, you guys, is a good one. This is going to be so good. I'm going to prepare some chapatis and I'm going to serve it with some chapatis later today. My mouth is watering. It's so hot. I don't think I can wait. So delicious, so delicious. It's so warming and comforting, and I hope you're going to give this a go. Alright guys, that's it. I am off now. I'm going to get some dough ready for my chapatis and come back tomorrow for a brand new recipe. Don't forget to subscribe, share, leave me a comment, like, and bye for now.